Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, in this video, I will complete explain and practically show how to trace running, starting and common terminal of compressor. So now you can see there is 3 point 1, 2 and 3. So now we will just point 1, 2 and 3. So we will give name A, B and C. So how to trace? You need to check the resistance of the terminal one by one. In these two, we will see 40. In this terminal we have 40. So write down here 40. And now in these two we have 22. 20. A and C we have 20 and we need to check B and C. B and C we have 21. B and C we have 21. So the two terminal which is giving more resistance, that two will be running and starting. Like this two, A and B, we have like 39, 40. Okay, 40 resistance we have maximum. So this two terminal we have running and starting. The third one we have already common. So this one we have common point. Now which one running, which one is starting? The terminal which is giving low resistance with common, that will be or running point. You can see here the terminal which is giving low resistance with common, that will be running point. This is 21 and this is 20. So this terminal we have giving low resistance with common. So this is we have running point. This one we have already common and this one we have starting point. This how you need to trace the starting, running and common point. Here you can see the top is common point and number A we have running point and number B we have starting point. This how you need to trace the compressor terminal. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. You will get electrical, air conditioning and refrigeration video from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.